are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, can you introduce yourselves?
My name is Lucy. I'm 8 years old.
Okay.
My name is Anna. I'm 8 years old. My name is Milk. I'm 8 years old.
Okay, girls. Are you ready for your video? Okay. Now, your first question is, your friend is sad. What will you say to make him or her happy?
I'm sad. Don't be sad.
Okay. What will you say? What will you do to make your friend happy?
I will say, I will play with you.
Okay.
I will say, you don't be sad now. You can play with me.
Okay, that's cute. Okay, the next question. If you lost your homework, what would you tell your teacher? If you lost your homework, what would you tell your teacher?
I will say, I forgot to bring my homework.
Okay, and are you going to do something about it? Since you forgot your homework, are you going to do something about it?
I will stand a board.
Okay.
I said to my teacher is, I'm sorry teacher because I lost my homework.
Okay.
I'm sorry teacher, I lost my homework.
Well, are you doing?
I will write it in the board.
Okay. Yeah, because you don't just say sorry, you make amends, right? Okay. Your third question. Should students wear a school uniform? Why or why not? Should students wear a school uniform?
Students should wear a school uniform
Why?
because it's
Why should we wear a school uniform? If you're saying they should wear a school uniform, you tell us why they should. If you say they should not, you tell us why they should not, okay? So why do you think students should wear a school uniform?
because the teachers said it.
Okay. What do you think?
I think a student will wear school clothes
Why?
because some children is learning.
Because children are learning, so they must be wearing the same clothes.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. What do you think?
I think we should wear the school clothes
Why?
because everybody in schools don't know we learn in school.
Okay. Tell me about a time that you felt proud of yourself. About a time that you felt proud of yourself. Do you understand the question?
Yes. I know. Happy.
Okay, why were you happy about yourself? What did you do that made you be so proud of yourself?
I helped my friend.
You helped your friend. Okay, how did you help your friend? That's a good answer. How did you help your friend?
I helped do the homework.
Okay. And did you do it correctly? Was it good? Did you get the answers correct?
Yes.
Okay. What is it that made you proud of yourself?
I feel happy.
What is it that you did that made you to be happy about yourself?
Because I help my mother.
Okay, how did you help?
Sweep the floor.
Okay. What's about the time you felt proud of yourself?
I help my friend.
How did you help?
I help my friend do a workbook.
Oh, okay.
It's a hard workbook.
Was it nice?
Yes.
Okay. If your wildest dream came true, what would be the first thing that you did?
Tell my mama.
Okay. Why do you choose to tell your mother?
Because I want my mother to know.
If your wildest dream came true, what would you tell? What is the first thing that you do?
I tell my grandmother.
Why your grandmother?
Because I
But you could tell your mom, you could tell your brother, you could tell your teacher. Why do you choose to tell your grandmother?
because I love her.
Okay. That's a cute answer. What would you do when your wildest dream came true?
I will tell my mother and my father.
And why would you tell them?
Because my father and my mother is my present.
Okay. If you could invite one famous person to join your dream, who would it be?
A famous musician.
Okay, which one? Do you have one in mind or just a musician? Do you have a musician that you like? If you could invite a famous person to your dream, who would it be? You don't know any famous person?
Yes.
Okay. If you could invite a famous person to join your dream, who would it be?
I don't remember his name.
Okay, what does he do?
He has a many money.
Okay, he has too much money. Okay, that's fine. Then if it starts raining, if it starts raining when you're walking home, what will you do? You're walking, going home, then it starts to rain. What will you do?
I wear makeup.
So when it rains, what will you do?
I stop and I wear a raincoat.
Do you have a different answer from hers? What would you do if it starts raining and you're walking home?
I will stop and walk a tree.
Under a tree.
Under a tree.
Okay, that's good. Or you can find a nearby shade, right? Nearby shop. Just wait until the rain stops, right? Maybe near a coffee shop, near a shop that you can wait at. That's fine. Now your friend falls in the playground. What will you do? Your friend falls in the playground. What would you do? You laugh at them? What will you do? You will laugh. Okay. What will you do if your friend falls in the playground?
I help my friend to stand.
What will you do if your friend falls in the playground?
I laugh at my friend.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, girls, goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.